Okay, so welcome back, and today we're going to do some examples in this video. And so we're going to calculate slope for two examples. Okay, so I've got these 2 points here, so let's do this example first. And so I plotted these 2 points here so you can see where they're at. And if we connect these 2 points, like so, then we see that has a positive steepness because it goes up left to right. So we always look at the graph left to right. So it goes up in the positive direction. And so the way we calculate this is we're going to use the definition of slope. We're going to take the difference in the y's divided by the difference in the x's. The one thing you want to remember is whatever way you subtract one set of coordinates, you want to make sure you subtract the other set of coordinates the same way. So let me demonstrate here. So the slope here is we're going to take the difference in the y's over the difference in the x's. I'm going to subtract them the same way on the top and the bottom. So if we make this y1 and this y2, then we're going to subtract -3 minus 3. And then we're going to subtract x1, x2. So if this is y1, this has to be x1. So x1 minus x2, so that'd be 2 minus 5. And so if we subtract the top, we get a -6. And if we subtract the bottom, we get a -3. And we get a slope of +2. Okay? And again, you can see that if we go all up, so it's going up 6 over 3, right? So if we go up, we're going to go up 6 units over 3 units. So we're going up and to the right, okay? And so basically that reduces to 2, so we can go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, okay? Now what about this one? So now here are these 2 points, oops. So we have these 2 points here, -1 and 2, and 3, -1. So we're going to do the same thing. So notice that I plotted these 2 points here, and so if you connect them, you see that it has a negative slope going left to right, so the steepness goes down. And so if we apply the same formula, so we're going to take, oops, not x. y1 minus y2, x1 minus x2, and so we just have to pick which one is going to be y1, x1, or x2. So again, if we do this one, so this will be y1, so we'll get 2 minus a -1, so we subtract the y's. And then now we're going to subtract the x's the same way. So this will be -1 minus 3. And so in this case, we get what? We get 3 over a -4. And so our slope is a -3/4. And so what does this mean? Well, if the negative is on top, we can look at it as going down 3 and to the right 4, okay? So we're going to go down 3 and to the right 4. And notice that it's negative, and that matches what we would expect from what we learned from the graph. And that's it. Have a great day.